Hi everyone, thank you for watching the video. So today I'm going to talk about how to use search function on Glasp. So in your profile page. So if you go to your Glasp profile page and you see the search bar here on top, here, then type in something and you can search for your past highlights and notes and including comments too. So let's say you can type something like knowledge, whatever, so you can search like information. This is basic function. But if you put quotation mark, then this is like an exact match search, similar to Google search. And let's say you are searching for knowledge management. So using quotation mark, you get 36 pages you have, and it's all about knowledge management. It's like this. And if you don't use a quotation mark, it searches for your entire captured information. And even if it has like a knowledge or management, it comes here. So that's why this has like 266 pages, results. And if you want to search for specific domain and use site and a colon, then put any domains you want to search for. Let's say glasp.co. You can search for the content you captured on glasp.co domains, and or let's say medium.com, so that I have 104 pages results. And if you want to search for like some specific domains, you can use this domain and click in here. It automatically changes the search bar, inbox. So NetSup, FS blog, and Wikipedia, something like this, and you can follow this through by yourself too. Let's say you want to search information through like tags you use. In that case, use tag and colon, and let's say learning. So you get 78 pages, and same as the numbers you put tags on the content. So you can search for information that you put learning, or any topics you put in on the content. And sometimes you want to search for content that based on the dates you captured. So in that case, you can use like clicking this panel, takes you to the content you captured. Let's say on July 13th, I captured like these 4 contents, and you can change it to any dates. Let's say February 13th, this year, or let's say, I don't know if I have it, but 2 years ago, yeah. Today, but 2 years ago, you captured this content like this. And I don't know if I have, oh yeah. So last year, the same day, I captured these things so that you can easily look back at, what you captured on specific dates. And if you want to search for information based on authors or writers, then put author and colon, and let's say Kazuki. Yeah, you can find information written by me or anyone. Like let's say Paul Graham, and I have 23 pages, of his content. So you can see the information you captured, written by any authors. And yeah, I think this is how Glasp search function works. And we will update, we will have an indicator here maybe in the future, but but this is how it works. And please let us know if you have any question or any feedback. Thank you for watching. Bye.